Yebo, 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 welcome to Watch Me Build It. We're busy building the MB78 DIY watch kit from Namoki. Welcome to step number 5. Watch me install the second hand. This is a step in watch building that gets a lot of people really scared. Now, I'm an older guy, my eyes don't do what they used to, my hands are a little bit shaky, and so I'm going to show you the technique that I've developed that helps me to install second hands. And I'm hoping it's going to be a bit of a lifesaver for you. Before we start building, a few reminders. This is part of a series of videos. Be sure to watch the intro video and the ones that came before this and the ones that come after. Be sure to click on the link below to go and buy your own MB78 kit and use the affiliate link to the Namoki store to get to their store, and then use this code here to enjoy an exclusive discount on this kit. You can only enjoy this discount using the Watch Me Build It code. Finally, don't forget to click like and subscribe. But more than anything, let's do this step. Here we go, the Watch Me Build It second hand hack. You begin with your Rodico and you use your tweezers to pinch off a tiny portion of Rodico. You put that down onto the movement cushion, and then use the back end of the tweezers to roll that small piece of Rodico into a tiny little ball. Once you have your ball, you bring your second setting tool in and you use it to pick the ball up. Make sure the ball is centered on the tool. Now keep the second hand on the sponge so that the pinion doesn't get damaged, and then lightly pick the second hand up. And now it's just a case of getting up close with the loop on my eye, bringing it in and working to land that tube on the pinion. Once it's there, I give it a good press and away it comes. Now you would have noticed a little bit of Rodico stayed behind. That doesn't happen often. I'm glad it did, because you just bring your Rodico through again, give it a press, and you can pull it out. This one was a little more stubborn, and so I had to use a sharpened pegwood just to get in there and remove it. This is uncommon. It's 1 in 10 that happens, but I've got great alignment on my first press. You may have to press a second time to get the second hand close enough, but there we go. Second hand in and running. Now, wasn't that a lot easier than you expected? Well done.